Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is a 1-2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. My target for this is all the way up at the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, which is all the way up to about the $2,500 area. Now this is the monthly, so that's probably going to take about a year to play out, but I do think it is very likely. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3. But I think we can see subdivisions of that wave 3. I think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and now we're in a wave 3 of wave 3. Wave 3s are strong. Wave 3s of 3 should be even stronger, so I do still think that this has a lots and lots and lots of upside potential. So going down to the daily time frame, this is an important lesson really for everybody because I have been talking about this pretty much all week, which is this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looked like it should have gone down and made a break of the wave 4 because that's what happens usually after a 5-way pattern. But when you have a turn on the weekly and the monthly, and especially a wave 3 of 3 turn, what often happens is it just keeps on making higher lows, and just keeps on trending up, which is why looking for longs and trading with the trend is definitely going to be the best bet for us. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, I've been saying all week long, this looks like a wave A, this looks like a wave B. It looked like it should have gone down for a wave C to take out the low of wave 4. But I've also been saying all week long that the trend is up on the very high time frames and that it may not even make that ABC. Instead, it might just make a higher low, and just keep on going up, which is exactly what happen. I think it will take out these highs, and I do think it will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where yesterday I said it looked like a wave B. It looked like it should go down for a wave C. But like I said yesterday, if you do go short, then you're trading against the trend, and trading against a wave 3 of 3 is probably a pretty dangerous game. Look at this thing go. It is extremely strong, and it actually gave you almost a perfect ABC crescent right there to get in. So definitely continuing to look for longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would have to see a pullback to go long. But I think because we're in a wave 3 of 3 on the weekly monthly, that this thing is going to continue to make those higher highs and higher lows on these sort of time frames. I personally think that pretty much all sorting opportunities should be ignored, and long opportunities should be the only thing that we focus on. So don't forget to join my free Discord community linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.